Hey guys, welcome back to Delph. Today I will be showing you how to stream OBS to Discord with sound. So guys, to stream OBS in Discord, first things first is of course go to your Discord, and to stream the OBS that you have is you can just simply go ahead and go to one of your voice channel. So I'm gonna go for the general, and now over here I could just simply go ahead and select the share your screen over here. So here on the share your screen, you will have a Chrome tab, window, or entire screen. So if you only want to stream the OBS tab, you just simply go for the window and make sure you have the OBS turned on over here. And of course, you could just simply select OBS over here. And if you want to share the video and the audio over here, make sure that this is turned on. So guys, from here, it will also share the system audio, and I could just simply select share, and pretty much over here, people should be able to see my live that I am streaming my OBS tab, and pretty much I could just simply give my clients an overview on how to process the filters on the OBS, on how to navigate as well. So pretty much over here, you should be able to stream your OBS on Discord. So guys, if you followed along, you should be able to successfully stream the OBS into your Discord, and people should be able to see, and you could teach them how to navigate into the OBS itself. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.